Hello there, and welcome to the podcast. Or should I actually say, Vodcast. Today's podcast is a little different in that I will be enhancing the content with video. Today we're going to look at the 5th grade science content of the water cycle. By the end of this video-enhanced podcast, students will be able to explain how the water cycle works. Before we look at the water cycle itself, let's take a look at the main player, water. Water is everywhere. Water falls from the sky as rain, sleet, hail, or snow. Most of the earth is covered with water in the forms of rivers, lakes, seas, oceans, snow, ice, and clouds. The water cycle describes the continuous movement of all that water on, above, and below the surface of the earth. Evaporation is when the sun heats up water in rivers, lakes, or oceans and transforms it into vapor form. The water vapor then goes up into the air. Condensation is when the water vapor in the air cools down and changes from a gas back into a liquid. This forms clouds. Precipitation occurs when so much water has condensed that the air cannot hold it anymore. The clouds get heavy and water falls back to the earth in the form of rain, hail, sleet, or snow. This process is called the water cycle. Today's podcast is not only special because it's video enhanced, we also have a special guest with us. Here to perform their latest scientific smash hit, The Water Cycle, please welcome Teacher and the Rockbots.
The water cycle is the movement of water through the environment, like how it turns into rain and falls down into the rivers, lakes, and oceans. Then it rises back up again into the clouds. What is the state of water when it's heated and rises in the air? It's not a solid or a liquid, it's a gas if you care. What is the words they're talking about? Evaporation. Water cycle, water cycle, water cycle. Water cycle, water cycle, water cycle. What is the state of water when it changes from a gas into a liquid? Like drops in a cloud or underneath a cup with a lid. What is the word? I know. It's condensation. Water cycle, water cycle, water cycle. Water cycle, water cycle, water cycle. What is the state of water when it's falling down from the sky? We see it as rain or snow if you're wondering why. What is the word? I'm getting wet with precipitation. Water cycle, water cycle, water cycle. Water cycle, water cycle.
Well, I hope that you've enjoyed today's video-enhanced podcast. Please join us again and have a great week.